Hi, it's Chalk It Up Fancy, and today we will be making a hoop wreath. We purchased the 14-inch wooden hoop from Hobby Lobby. You will also need a hot glue gun, scissors, 2 wooden beads, which is optional, paint or stain, twine, a sign, and fabric of your choice. We chose to paint one hoop black and one sign white, then stained one hoop and left the sign its natural color. The fabric we got is from Walmart. It comes 1 yard in a little package made by Waverly Inspirations. Next, you're going to take your fabric and lay it over the inner ring. Then take your second ring that has the swivel at the top and loosen by turning. You then slide the top part onto the internal ring, which will then make the fabric tight. Try keeping the plaid stripes as straight as you can. You can pull the fabric around the hoop to make it as tight as you want. Once you have the fabric set as tight as you want and in the right position, you're going to flip your hoop over and cut the extra material on the back side. Once it is cut, you're going to take your hot glue gun around the edge of the hoop and then fold your fabric over to secure it in place. Next, you're going to take your sign, ours says high, and secure it in the position you like with the hot glue gun. Make sure you're securing it onto the wooden hoop. This is what you should have so far. You can decorate your wreath however you want. We chose to take some floral decorations and decorate the top of the eye. We're going to use a white flower and some lamb's ear, all purchased from Hobby Lobby. You will take your hot glue gun to hold them in place. The last step is you're going to take your twine and wooden beads, and we're going to make a loop so we have a way to hang our wreath. We're going to tie it in a knot, and then we just slid the end of that into the top of our swivel. And there you go. We like to bring you ideas in inexpensive ways. Hope you enjoyed.